Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo here with another tech video. This one is the Logitech-G Pro. Sometimes it loses its connection and you have to resync it. So the trick is to take off the left headphone, okay? Step one. This button reboots the headphone. This super microscopic hole is what sets it into pairing mode. And if you look at your dongle, you have a pairing mode here. And it would be similar if you were using a non-Logitech thing. And also on your Logitech, make sure you have a light. If the light's not lighting up, you probably have a defective dongle. But if you're using an off-brand USB, then it really doesn't matter. Turn them on, make sure I got the green light. Then I'm gonna take a safety pin, okay? It needs to be really small. And I'm gonna go down here, and I'm gonna push this. And now it's blinking. That's pairing mode. Then I'm gonna go over to my dongle, and I'm gonna push. And this one's kind of deep. You wanna push till it clicks, and wait for the beep, and a solid light, and let go. And that's it. Your dongle is now paired to your headset, and if you turn it on, you should have a solid light and they work. Hope you liked today's video. As always, like, subscribe. This is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.